Dodge has been promising its fans an all-electric muscle car concept for a while now, and it's finally here as the Charger Daytona SRT. According to the automaker, the Dodge Charger Daytona SRT concept drives like a Dodge, looks like a Dodge, and feels like Dodge, and there are three key features that contribute to that. The first one is the R-Wing pass-through front aerodynamic feature that retains the classic Dodge profile and connects the concept with its iconic Daytona namesake while achieving the aerodynamic efficiency required by an EV. The second and most unexpected feature is the Fratsonic chambered exhaust system, an industry first for an EV that can reach 126 dB, making it as loud as a Hellcat-powered Dodge. The system pushes its unique performance sound through an amplifier and tuning chamber located at the rear of the vehicle. The third is the Erupt multi-speed transmission with an electromechanical shifting experience that delivers distinctive shift points, throwing shoulders into seatbacks in true Dodge style. Now, it's worth noting that all these features are patent pending, so the automaker cannot guarantee they will make it to production in their current forms. Still, the simple fact that it aims to offer them on a production EV proves that Dodge is committed to making its battery electric vehicle attractive for its die-hard fans. At the heart of the vehicle is a new propulsion system that's said to offer performance exceeding that of the famed SRT Hellcat engine, accompanied by an industry-first BEV exhaust sound. The Charger Daytona SRT concept also boasts a PowerShot push-to-pass feature. Activated by a button on the steering wheel, PowerShot delivers a push of increased horsepower for a quick burst of acceleration. The vehicle also has auto, sport, track, and drag modes that instantly change the driving dynamics. Dodge does not say how similar the production muscle EV arriving in 2024 will be to this concept, but judging by how production-ready the concept looks, our guess is the Charger Daytona SRT is pretty close to what customers will be able to buy.